Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
So we start on the 24-hour temperature cast. Most of our numbers in the mid-70s. I think we can get to the lower 90s today, but there should be a little bit more cloud cover today than yesterday. And then overnight tonight, we're probably going to see those temperatures stay way up in the 70s again. Very warm, very muggy, and that's not changing. On the radar picture, over the past 3 hours, not a lot in our area. Over the next 3 hours, not a lot expected, but maybe we get a couple of showers later on this afternoon. The issue we're going to have today is the same as we had yesterday. One of those wind directions that's not super conducive to helping those sea breezes generate some showers. 76 right now in Tallahassee, 73 for Bainbridge and Camilla and Thomasville. Moultrie, one of the cooler spots at 72. It's not breezy, but that breeze is west or northwest, and that's one of those wind directions that tries to pin that sea breeze up against the coast, and it makes it harder for those showers to get going. I haven't seen a whole lot of fog, even with it being as humid as it is outside. Most visibility's up better than 7 miles. Now, here's what it looks like bigger picture. Maybe some showers off to the north and west. Got a few clouds already advancing into our area. The upper part of the atmosphere is where all the action is. We've got a piece of energy here, this counterclockwise circulation that's getting pinched off from the main flow. When this happens, it usually helps to extend a period of unsettled weather. We even have an area of higher pressure. That's what this general clockwise circulation off the Atlantic coast is. Now, that's doing a nice job of shielding us from anything out in the tropics, but it's also going to make it harder for anything to move along in the main flow, and that means things are going to move even slower. So when we get into this next weather rut starting tomorrow and lasting through the upcoming weekend, it looks like we're going to stay there for a good long while. Futurecast doesn't have a lot of activity today, maybe a few scattered showers, that's all. Tomorrow, I think it's more showers than anything else, but probably lots of breaks in between the showers. We get to Friday and Saturday, and now we're not talking about those 30-minute downpour and done type showers. Now we could be looking at those prolonged periods of rain that last for a couple hours at a clip, and I think we could find some significant amounts of rain on Friday, on Saturday, and maybe even on Sunday. Not the idea that anyone wants for the upcoming weekend. We still got a little time to fine-tune that, but it's feeling more and more soggy as we head towards the upcoming weekend. The tropics are super active. We've got two circles that are not developed yet, but getting there. That energy from yesterday now in the orange circle telling us we've got a moderate chance for development. We've got a new yellow circle coming off the coast of Africa. Hurricane Danielle is still up there, and this is now Hurricane Earl. Looks pretty impressive, especially around that core, still a couple of 100 miles south of Bermuda, and as it works its way to the north, it's likely going to get stronger. Now at 80-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Over the next 36 hours, this could get all the way up to 120-mile-per-hour sustained winds, maybe even Category 3 strength. Now here's Bermuda, so the cone for the time being just east of that island. It still could change a little bit, and that could put Bermuda more in the crosshairs. It's still going to be close enough to get a good blow and some rain from this. We'll continue to monitor, but it's not coming near the United States, and what likely happens is it continues to curl towards those cooler open waters of the North Atlantic. Now on the Gulf for today, winds start northwest, end up on shore, and light, 5 to 12. Seas 2 feet or less, not a bad looking forecast at all. 70s this morning, muggy. Rain chances like 40% today, which is kind of normal for this time of the year. We'll call it humid. I do think we're going to get up over 90. Tonight it's 70s, it's muggy, it's more cloudy. And here comes that extended forecast. 90% shots for real rain. Friday, Saturday, things are looking soggy.